houses. And at one point I realized it was like, okay, these people who live in these houses, they didn't just luck up and get into these houses, right? Like that person that lives in that big house on the hill, they knew they were going to be in that big house on the hill. They may not have known how they were going to get there. They may not have known when the inheritance was going to hit, but they knew that they were going to be in that big house, right? So beginning with the end in mind. So in college, I started to realize was like, all right, I got to dream a little bit bigger if that's, you know, the next level that I want, right? Because you guys know my story. And for those who don't, it's posted on YouTube, on my Instagram. But basically, my mom lost $1 million inheritance due to poor financial advice. But when she got her inheritance, we bought our first house. That house was a little over $200,000. So in college, after my mom lost the money, was in the process of losing the house to foreclosure, I was like, my goal was, I was like, so I gotta at least be able to get a $200,000 house, like bare minimum, right? Then I started riding around and I